In today's fast-paced digital world, e-commerce is more than just a sales channel. It's a vital part of a business strategy. But how can a business truly unlock its potential? The answer lies in X2X e-commerce integration solutions. X2X e-commerce integration solutions seamlessly connect e-commerce platforms and point-of-sale systems with other critical business systems, i.e. ERP. This integration empowers business by automating data flow, reducing manual tasks, and enhancing overall operational efficiency. Imagine a world where inventory updates, order processing, and customer management are streamlined and error-free. With X2X solutions in place, businesses can eliminate data silos, minimize errors, and focus on what truly matters: growth and expansion. Here are the key benefits of X2X e-commerce integration solutions: increased sales with business optimization, improved customer experience, enhanced operational efficiency, automated workflows. With X2X e-commerce integration solutions, you're not just keeping up with the competition but staying ahead with an ease of scalability. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Join hands with us and make us your digital partner to revolutionize your operations and drive success. X2X e-commerce integration solutions helps you to embrace future with confidence.